Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today we are making Japanese style sandwich called Wanpaku Sando. It's basically a super thick and humongous sandwich that is probably not for the kids, but it's fun to make this sandwich and Instagram it. Now let's get started. To make your sandwich look prettier, you can use parchment paper instead of saran wrap. If wrapping with parchment paper is too difficult, you can try with saran wrap first and then parchment paper outside of it. you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. And since you guys are all watching till the end, here's the Japanese word of the day. 分厚い It means thick. You can say このサンドイッチは分厚いです meaning this sandwich is so thick. Or このとんかつは分厚いです This tonkatsu is very thick. Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!